Alrighty, AC blower motor change on a 1994 Ranger. It's on the inside of the engine bay. Disconnect your battery. If you don't, pull the light so it's not draining the battery while you're doing this. Air box has to come out. Guys, it's a little 4-cylinder Ford Ranger. Unless you're putting nitrous on it, or unless you're putting boost to it, you're not going to make a lot of power unless you rebuild the whole engine. Save the factory box, just replace the air cleaner. It actually breathes colder than if you put a filter here. Anyway, so far everything's been 5/16. Pulling this off to get it out of the way, and then I'll access this nice and easy. Nice shiny part. It's a new one that's in there. Everything was 5/16 so far. Just got to put everything back together. There were 3 5/16 on here. On this one, the breather tube faced down, slotted right over it. It had a different plug. Everything's just going right back in, nice and neat. But if you have a 1990 Ford Ranger with a little 4-cylinder, probably even the V6, this is how you do it. It's literally pull the air box out of the way. I took these 2 5/16 out to drop this out of the way, just to give me some more room. These 3 5/16 and plugged everything back up. That was it. So nice and easy, guys. All right, it's all back together. There we go. All that's left now is testing it.